A healthy environment starts with clean air. But it doesn't have to stop there. The levoit Desktop True Hepa Air Purifier removes invisible contaminants from your home, clearing the way for an atmosphere of your choosing. Simply add your favorite essential oils and let the air purifier take it from there. The compact design powerfully cleans the air, while spreading stimulating fragrances throughout the room. You can create the ideal workspace during the day and turn on sleep mode at night to help you unwind before bed. No matter how you choose to use it, our air purifier will transform the health of your home in more ways than one.